It's game time. Are you ready to play a game and maybe learn something new too? Then we can both be very clever cats. Just like any time we do a puzzle, our first job is to sort our pieces. If the pieces are flat on the top, we put them towards the top. If they're flat on two sides, we put them in the corner where they'll belong. If they're flat on the bottom, we put them towards the bottom. Flat on the left, and flat on the right, on the right. All of our middle pieces will set off to the side so they don't get in our way when we start our puzzle. So let's do our sorting work. Sorting work means to get organized before you start, and that's really important. Sometimes I get excited and I like to start without doing all of my preparation or sorting work. And everything always ends up being just a little bit harder if you don't do your preparation work first. So it's worth the extra effort, huh? Okay, we are almost sorted. Just a few more edge pieces, and then some middles to set off to the side. And then I have to find one more corner. There it is. It was hiding in the stack, huh? Okay, that is it. We have one corner, two corners, three corners, four corners, because our puzzle is a rectangle. And now we'll build the outside, or the frame, starting at the bottom and working our way around. So there's one side. And now we'll do the right side. Two pieces to our frame are done. And now we'll go across the top. And because we sorted, we know these are the pieces that fit up here. And there's only a few of them, so we can try each one until we find the piece it matches up with. If we had to try each one for the whole puzzle, that would just take forever. So that's another way that doing your sorting work helps you. Three sides. And now down the left. Four sides. Our frame is complete. And now we have clues that we can use by looking at the colors of the frame to put our middle pieces together. Most puzzles have more middle pieces than edge pieces. And so when you want to put those together, you want as many clues as you can get. Otherwise, you'll spend all day trying your pieces in each place. But it's okay if you don't know right away from the clue. You just patiently try it in each place until you find the place it fits. Puzzles are all about patience. And it's always so worth it in the end because you get to see what awesome picture you've built. I haven't guessed yet what we're building. Have you guessed? You usually figure it out before me, huh? That's okay. There, that's where that one goes. Got some gray stuff. It looks like it goes over there. There's hair. We're building something very hairy today. Nope, that doesn't go any of those places. pieces. So we'll try the next piece. Oh, I think I just figured out what our picture is. Let's do a couple more pieces and we'll be able to tell if the guess is correct. Actually, let's put the ice in first. Yep, I was right. We built ourselves an alpaca. Look, he's yelling, says, "Hey, come play with me." I like alpacas. That was a lot of fun. I'm so glad that you decided to learn and play with me today. We're getting quite clever. Now it's time for you to check your schedule, and I will see you in our next class.